tutorial I'm going to show you how to repair a sole that came off the shoe. Now this particular shoe right here, the sole came right off the shoe, and as you can see, the sole's pretty clean. These shoes were hardly worn at the time, and the sole just came right off. So I put this glue on, and now it's nice and strong. Now, shortly after, what happened? The other shoe, same problem. Shortly after I fixed this shoe right here, this shoe had the same problem. The sole came right off. It just peeled right off. So whatever's holding this shoe together, whatever they use, is not working. Both shoes have the same problem. And as you can see, this was hardly worn, and it just came right off. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. Now I use a glue. It's called Quick Grip. And I'm going to show you how I apply it. So whatever they're using to connect the sole to the shoe is not working. And these are perfectly good shoes. They're solid. It's just not holding. I'm going to show you what to do to fix this. Like I did this shoe right here, I'm going to do here. As you can see, it's the whole shoe. And the whole shoe just came out, just like this. It's completely separate. It's not even a partial disconnection. The whole sole came off the shoe. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. Now you have to liberally apply the cement. Turn it. I'm going to liberally apply this. I'm going to start at the corners, which is the most important part. Just flatten it from the back, from the very bottom, and then work your way forward, and then move it across and make it like a bead to get to the corners. Okay, I'm going to put some in the heel right here. Work your way down here. You can actually follow, you can see the cement lines where it was cemented. You can tell just by the color of where the cement was. So it's along these tracks right here. These lines, cement them. You don't have to go in the boxes, go around them, because the raised areas are what's going to meet this area right here. This area is going to touch the raised areas the most. That's what you should cement. So along right there. Okay, now I'm going to apply the top part of the shoe to the sole. I'm going to start with the top. Just put that in right there. And then move across to the back where the heel is. Just press it in like so. Okay, so for the front part, I'm going to put a clamp on the shoe right here. I have this clamp right here. Not too tight, just so it's not loose. On top you could put like a piece of fabric, like a piece of thick towel over here, so it won't make any marks on the leather. So that's good on that side. And then on the back you could just use another clamp and let that dry for about 24 hours. Put one clamp here, one clamp in here, let that dry, and the shoes will be ready to go and all fixed up. Now if you don't have clamps, you can also put weights on both parts of the shoes. You could put a weight over here and a weight over here to put pressure on the top part of the shoe and the sole itself, where it has to come together until the glue dries. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.